మీ ఇంట్లో మొదటి కోటీశ్వరుడు మీరే అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారా? ఈ ఫైనాన్షియల్ వెబినార్ లో ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
How are you?
good.
Yeah, so many people now they are very difficult to balance professional as well as personal.
Yes.
How women should balance professional as well as personal life?
Yeah. So I believe, like, of course, living a balanced life is what we strive for, right? But it requires a lot of dedication and efforts to reach and
Definitely.
maintain it.
Yes.
Whether you're a man or a woman, I feel that you can achieve balance only if you like have if you have a balanced mind. So it all starts from your mind, basically. Balance word is overrated, and it requires a lot of sacrifices and efforts, and it takes a lot of if it goes well if you have someone on the other side to help you. So it's always okay to ask for help. And there are 5 things I feel like,
Balancing it.
how we can balance, because I feel that your life is a choice you make every day. Okay, so 5 things I would mention is like family, work, friends, health, sleep. Health and sleep, of course, will go in one category, and entertainment. So it's you who choose, like you have to prioritize and choose any 3 out of this. You can't get all those things together, right? So you have to make a choice, you have to prioritize and choose the top 3 from these lists. This is how I say to myself that, you have to make a choice, and that's how you will have a balanced life. So this I have been doing. That balance word is overrated, but yes, it changes every day. And firstly, you have to take care of your emotional well-being, physical well-being, and then comes your family and your profession. So this is the way like I've been following.
So still, if you want to explain in detail, how you'll tell?
These are the little tips, like, that's what I'm saying, like how you can have, these are the little tips.
But nowadays, so many people, especially women, are going to a mental depression, like mental stress. How they need to overcome?
See, there are a lot of ways, of course, like, if how they can improve their life. That's what I've been doing on Instagram and social media. I'm creating content on life skills and, how you can change your own thought process. Of course, there are few tips I would like to share, right? If you don't know how to improve yourself and you don't know how to start, so you have to, like, do these things, a few tips for your mind, soul, and body. Once those things fall in place, for your mind especially, you do some meditation practices, you read some uplifting podcasts, right? And for your body, if you are into regular workouts, take care of your body, your soul, and you go for nature walks, you pray, you practice gratitude, right? So I follow 25-day gratitude. I've been following this, where I reflect on the things.
Okay.
I'm grateful for the things what are happening in my life. That way, instantly, positivity is boosted in my life. That's one of the easiest way, I feel, like, practice gratitude. So once you change your lifestyle, once you change yourself, and you can see, I think rest, everything falls in place. You will definitely, will be able to manage your personal and professional. First, your emotional well-being is really important, and it's all in your minds, basically. This word balance, it's all in your mind. So that's what I've been doing, and it's really helping me out. So yeah, I would like to, like, tell my audience about this.
And just now you told me about 21 days gratitude.
Yeah.
How it should be developed in our cases?
I'll tell you about my routine, what I've been practicing, right? I feel like, you first start saying to yourself that I'm a powerful woman. So that really, like, I keep saying that I'm powerful. What I do is, like, I wake up 10 minutes before my sleep time. Like, wake up 10 minutes early to enjoy a cup of tea or coffee in peace. So then I practice gratitude by saying, of course, by being thankful and by reflecting on the things which are happening, by my daily meditations. And I feel like, sleeping at a specific time. Okay, because you have, like, 16 hours in a day to do everything else, but you need a minimum 8 hours to rest and rejuvenate. We feel stress, we have a lot of personal issues, everyone has, right? So I think even in front of your kids, your family, it's very important to portray that you're very calm and composed. And I learn new skills every day. I challenge myself. I say that nothing is impossible possible. That way I feel very productive and I feel very focused. So these little things I've been doing in my life, which has really helped me, if I'm, I'm seeing a better version, I'm trying to focus on the better version of myself. Of course, through passion, you discover yourself. You do, you invent yourself. Through passion, whatever you want to do in life is through passion. Passion is important, but discipline and obsession is with that. That will take you further in life. So if you're consistent with your routine on daily basis, so you will feel more accomplished. So consistency is the key.
Consistency is a key, definitely will agree with you, but changing a mindset is a very difficult. How we need to adapt that situations and the surroundings.
I've been doing one is like, I feel like self-love, accepting yourself is very important. Okay, and that way if you love yourself, you will learn to forgive others. You will not carry their baggage and you will not carry your baggage if you've done something wrong and you feel you have some regrets in life. So I think you first love yourself, accept yourself, and that way you will learn to forgive others. So self-love is led by forgiveness. And a woman since birth, our birth, it's decided and defined that हमें सबके लिए जीना है. बट अगर आप खुद के लिए नहीं जी सकते, आप किसी और के लिए नहीं जी सकते. सो आई प्रैक्टिस सेल्फ एम्पैथी. इफ आई हैव डन अ मिस्टेक, आई मूव ऑन. आई से इट्स ओके, लाइक आई एम ह्यूमन, आई हैव डन अ मिस्टेक, आई विल डू बेटर नेक्स्ट टाइम, right? So this word perfection, it doesn't exist in my dictionary at all. So if I feel like sometimes we feel, right, we've not done something very productive like the way we have thought, right? So, and stress is most of the time self-imposed. So I try to try my best with the limited resources. So that's one of the things like I've been doing, that one is practicing self empathy, and one is how to accept yourself. Because if you accept yourself, if you believe yourself, that's the way how the world will look at you, right? So the first thing is acceptance. If some days I feel like I can't do this, right? It's so many days like we feel. So I believe those are the most important days when we should believe yourself, have belief in yourself. Of course, like whatever I'm saying, maybe you're not agreeing, the viewers might not agree to what I'm saying, but that doesn't affect my attitude towards myself. It's my body, it's my whatever, my life. So I keep asking myself, like, it's the way you treat yourself. So you ask yourself, how are you feeling pretty today? Are you feeling confident? Are you feeling healthy? So you cannot give this power to anyone else, otherwise things will not go in your favor. You have to take the power, keep the power within yourself. So start believing yourself, start accepting yourself. I dedicate a self-care practice, like if you're not paying attention to your personal needs, right, and that way I feel like you will not be able, if you're positive, you will be able to those positive energies you will spread, right, in your family, with your kids. How can a lady be positive? Only if it's happy, a happy mom. And how happiness comes? Happiness is a choice, of course, we make every day through a balanced life. So if we have concentrate on these self-care tips, like I dedicate relaxation, like for example a relaxation activity once in a week. So I feel like that way I rejuvenate, I recharge my soul, myself that way. So of course a happy mom makes happy kids. If you're happy, you'll spread positivity that way. So that's another way I've been trying to follow these, implement, like improve my life. And I've trying to help women out there also, especially women who feel that they presume that they do not have it in them. That's the way I've been doing.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to having me.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.